stop guessing on why your earbuds aren't working. This is exactly how you beat the iPhone 16 Pro adapter glitch without failing once. Most other tutorials are just plain wrong, claiming your port is broken when it is actually security locked in the USB-C firmware. Before we enter the settings, you need to understand the logic. The iPhone 16 Pro treats unknown accessories as potential threats and will cut power to the adapter unless you give explicit permission. We're going to do this hand in hand and step by step. So, it is physically impossible for you to fail this fix. Rexis is the authority on these USB-C transitions because we know the exact accessories toggle that blocks the audio handshake. First, go to Settings and then Face ID and passcode immediately. You might think this is irrelevant, but it is the secret gatekeeper for your port. Here is a secret trick other creators missed. Scroll down to the Allow Access when locked section and toggle accessories to On. If this is off, your iPhone 16 Pro will ignore any wired earbuds the moment the screen goes dark. Next, perform a forced restart by tapping volume up, volume down, and holding the power button with the adapter plugged in. This forces the A18 Pro chip to rescan the connection and recognize the external DAC. This clears the silent bug and restores your audio instantly. If you want the specific list of certified adapters that support the iPhone 16 Pro's high-res audio, tell me in the comments right now. The final answer is to enable the accessories toggle and ensure your adapter is an active DAC model. Would you like me to find a specific technical